This is Ray, Ray's Engines. We're back with the Turbocharged LS engine. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up on the video. What this is we're going to go ahead and discuss what it costs to turbocharge a LS engine. And what I spent on this one here. It's going to surprise you what I spent on here. But you can also duplicate this, and you might ask questions on. I'll go ahead and answer the questions for you because I would ask the same questions. I purchased this 4.8 LS engine for 600 bucks. 600 bucks just the way you see it, without the turbo, without the exhaust manifolds. It's from the intake all the way down to the oil pan. I purchased it for 600 bucks. What happened is this guy went ahead and listed it on I believe it was on Facebook. We have a marketplace over here. He posted on there for 600 bucks. It was just a short block. He had the heads off. The heads, he already had took it to go get milled at the machine shop. I'm not sure why he only milled them, but didn't get a valve job on them. So I had to do a valve job on them, which is fine. I can do a video how to do a valve job yourself at home, at your shop, at a garage, wherever. Anyway, that's what he did. So the heads were off. It was a short block. He assembled the short block with new piston rings, new rod bearings, and new main bearings. The block was already honed. But when he assembled it, I went up there and I looked at it. He had the brand new cam in it, which was a Brian Tooley cam, Stage 2 turbo cam. It's actually from Comp Cams. So that's what he did. He already had the cam in there as well. He had the timing chain on there, and he had a oil pump just sitting on the floor, and the timing chain was used. So what he did, as I looked at it, I could tell that there was a piston facing backwards, which I already knew that they didn't know what they were doing. So I went ahead and checked the rods, and the rods were loose. So he said he didn't torque them down, which they do take torque, and they do take angle degrees as well. So I went ahead and gave him 600 bucks because he also had the Brian Tooley push rods, Brian Tooley springs, a complete gasket set, and a complete, I mean, just the way you see it, except of course I painted the block, the timing cover. I had everything, including the balancer, truck balancer, LS1 intake, injectors, truck coils, had a LS1 Holley oil pan also, brand new, not even installed, with the brand new pickup. So all I did was purchase a oil pump, a double roller timing chain, and the head bolts, because he was going to reuse the head bolts. If you guys know LS engines, you cannot reuse the head bolts. You have to purchase new ones. Reason why is because when you put degree, you're actually stretching the head bolt, and the other one is not going to be any good. Head bolts are cheap. They range anywhere from 50 bucks to 80 bucks for the pair. So that's all I purchased from here. So I paid 600 bucks for complete engine. So what I did is I disassembled the entire engine, the short block, and I assembled it correctly. What I did is I file fit the rings. I took each piston ring out and file fit per cylinder, and then I put the piston back in where the piston ring where it went on the piston. Assembled it all back together. Purchased a new double roller timing chain, a new oil pump, because you don't want to put a used oil pump on it. So all I spent was on a double roller timing chain, which was 100 bucks, the oil pump, which was $60, and then the head bolts, which was $65. Here's your most expensive part. This costs more than the engine itself. This is $1,000. You buy it online. I was able to purchase it for $700, brand new. So here we go. 600 plus 700 is 1,300. Timing chain, another $100. That's 1,400. The oil pump and the head bolts. So you're looking at roughly $1,450. So let's just rough it up. $1,500. $1,500 for a complete 4.8 built LS engine ready for turbocharge. That's all I spent was $1,500. So I just want to show you. I had to use exhaust manifolds from a previous one, and I just flipped them the other way. So you can actually still use this, but modify everything else to fit in your vehicle. So all you have to do is purchase your accessories. So here's another thing. You might ask, why didn't I go purchase another one that was complete from a junkyard? Well, this was a deal because the camshaft itself is $400. If you go buy a camshaft, it's $400. So he practically gave me an engine for free. $400 for the camshaft. You know, push rods, valve springs, that was an actual kit, not just the springs that came with the valve seals, titanium retainers, valve locks, and so on. So just that right there, I pretty much got everything for free. Because the camshaft's $400, push rods another $120. Your valve springs in the kit is $300. So you're looking at almost $1,000 just that with the camshaft, push rods, and valve springs. Oh, not to mention the gasket set. It was a complete gasket set that came with the engine as well. So this is one deal that I got. I mean, this is one deal that just comes once in a while. But they're out there. You just got to look for them. Now, you can go buy an engine at a junkyard for $300, especially a 4.8. 4.8 are most popular because you can buy them at the junkyard for less. 5.3s go a little bit more, about $500. A 6.0, they start ranging from $1,200 to $1,500 if it's complete. So if you can go buy one with accessories, with the wiring harness, the ECM, you can modify the wiring harness to fire up. You can delete the VATs and the ECM so it'll fire up as well. Or you can just buy a Holley for about $1,095, the Terminator X, $1,015. Or you can buy the Phytech for $858, and it comes with the ECM. Both are compatible for a turbocharge. Now the Phytech will run up to 30 psi. The Terminator X, you have to buy a different manifold air pressure sensor and a different wiring harness for it as well, or just an adapter. So again, I just want to show you it. It did come with all the sensors as well. All the sensors that you see came with it. So again, this was $1,500. Really good deal. All I have to do is plumb it and it's ready to fire up. Accessories, you can get your accessories online ranging anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000 depending on what you want, how fancy you want to get. I just want to give you an update how you can find these deals out there, and so hopefully you're out there looking for them and you can find them yourself. So again, give me a thumbs up, share this video, and we'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.